Hello friends, good afternoon. In the previous tutorial you have seen CSS margin, how to use different types of margin and margin top, margin left, margin right, or we can just use only margin and give the value for all sides or even in the single sides. This is shorthand margin, but I feel I was unable to explain clearly inherit margin. To explain it, I make this video tutorial again for you. Inherit margin is, say for example, this border is given for a tag. Here h2 tag contains some content, p tag contains some content. Inside the div tag there is a p tag with class ex1, or give the class. This paragraph has an inherited left margin. Now first we will style div tag. See div tag border 1 pixel solid. Let's close comment out this. Div tag border 1 pixel solid red, margin left 100 pixel. Let's see. This div tag is given some styling, border and margin left. Let's delete this margin or remove this margin. See, now div tag is, there is no margin at the left. Let's give margin left and right. Margin (40 pixel, 40 pixel, left, right, top, bottom. See what is, we did not save it. Cannot give comma. So see, top, bottom 40 pixel, left and right 40 pixel. Initially there was no left side gap, right side gap. Now gap is created at the top and bottom 40 pixel, left and right 40 pixel. So we have given margin for the element inside the div tag. Now see the p tag with class ex1. If we take the p tag selector with class ex1 and give margin left side, inherit, what will happen? It will create a margin started from the border, started from the div tag. See, now it creates margin left 20 pixel. Inherit margin from the left side. If we create only margin inherit, then it creates margin from all sides relative to the border. The border is given only in the div tag, and margin is also given. Now if you remove this margin, that means the margin at the top, bottom, left, right of this border has been removed. Now margin left inherit see margin left, inherit, margin right, inherit. What happened? Let's see. Margin top, inherit. So it does not create any margin actually. It starts the right, takes required gap from the top, required gap top gap from the left. If we use this margin now it creates 40 pixel margin from above the border, left side, right side. So I hope now you understand inherit margin. Sometimes we need to create inherit margin in our website development. Thank you very much for watching.